Today, I'm excited to show you an interesting and healthy dish that you can share with your family, herb-baked rainbow fish. I'm Sumei, a Senior Dietitian at NHG Polyclinics. And today, I'm going to teach you how to cook herb-baked rainbow fish. All recipes in this series are taken from our I Can't Believe It Tastes So Good cookbook, which has more recipes for you to discover. Scan the QR code now for more recipes. This is a heart-healthy dish that is high in protein, low in calories and saturated fats. It is a perfect dish for the whole family and it takes about 30 minutes to prepare. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. We have got 600 grams of dory fish, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a rainbow of vegetables. Today we have yellow onions, 3 different colors of capsicums, carrot, and celery. For seasoning, we'll be using vinegar, Italian herbs, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan. Today we're using olive oil because it provides unsaturated fats that helps lower your blood cholesterol level. Put in the sliced onions. You want to stir fry until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add in the rest of the vegetables. Now, these colorful vegetables are not just for show. They are packed with nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, capsicums are rich in vitamin C, which helps support a stronger immune system. Next, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This will provide a nice tangy kick and helps balance the sweetness of the vegetables. Season with a pinch of salt and some ground black pepper. We'll stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, we'll transfer half of them to a baking tray. And sprinkle 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. After that, we'll put the fish on top. And sprinkle another teaspoon of Italian herbs. We're using herbs in this recipe because they give so much flavor and aroma without the extra sodium. Now, reducing sodium intake is important because it helps improve blood pressure and is great for your heart health. Next, we'll add in the rest of the vegetables. Now, if you want to make the fish even more flavorful, you can marinate it in some lemon juice or herbs for 30 minutes before baking. Before we put into the oven, we need to cover it with aluminum foil. Remember to leave a small opening for the steam to escape. This will help keep the fish moist without getting too soggy. Now we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This dish serves 6. And to make it a balanced meal, you can pair with brown rice, quinoa, wholemeal noodles, or even sweet potato on the side. These colorful vegetables don't just brighten up the plates, they are also packed with nutrients that keep you strong and healthy. So remember, eat a plate of rainbow and stay well.